Kelly, Brett Taylor, and Scott Taylor and Son Chevrolet. This is the video that we want to send you just to disclose condition of the SS. Okay? I'm highlighting imperfections as much as anything. Rock chip below the fog lamp and the surrounding bezel. As far as underneath, the valance is detached in this spot. This could probably be clipped back in, which we will address. We'll clip it in. It won't be repaired. If like a rivet is broken, we won't be able to accomplish it that quickly. Leading edge of the lower has some chips on it. Those, not to be mistaken with the bugs, but there's going to be some chips as far as the lower. Nose of the vehicle is good and free of rock chips. Corner where fender meets bumper, you can see the paint chips that would require a paint touch-up. Curb rash on passenger side wheel. Glass is good. I don't see any chips in there. Coming along driver's side. Doors are good and free of scratches. This is the main cosmetic issue. So leading edge of rear fender. Tires will be original for the car, and we'll get condition of the 4 of them. I have not looked at this lower rocker, but I don't see any issues running to the front of the car. Driver's side front wheel has curb rash on it as well. Original condition of, or tires of, or excuse me, condition of original tires. Go rear tire as well. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle. Wheel well is alright here. Passenger side rear wheel looks alright. No PDR, paintless dent repair along sides. That component of it's good. And we're back to the passenger side front, which we've already addressed. Roof of the car is fine, along with deck lid. Car is non-smoking. Miles as of this morning are 17,129. No excessive bolster wear as far as seats are concerned. Carpet and floor covering are fine. Rear seating area has not even been used. My 4-year-old daughter has been riding to school in it for about 2 weeks, and that's where the car seat is not invasive in regards to cuts, rips, tears, etc. Passenger side bolster wear is fine. Car does not have any funny odors. And we will clean this up. It just needs vacuumed. Books are present, along with 2 keys. Car needs an alignment. Oil change interval, it's due at 20,788. So we've got, and from that aspect, doesn't have maintenance due. Vehicle has a service side detection warning on it, which typically has to do with side blind zone alerts is what it's going to be, whether it's a mirror or a module for it, I'm not sure. But there you go, service side detection. Engine compartment area we will clean up for you. That thing's not leaking any oil or any other pieces. We're going to email this